Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Rahman Sohag with you. In this video, now I am showing you how to make timer works and star delta timer wiring diagram. If you are new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. Press the bell icon for more my video. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Delay timer. On delay timer. Bulb 1 and 2. Phase connection input to delay timer. Phase connection outgoing from delay timer to connect bulb to neutral connection input to bulb 1, 2 and delay timer. Phase connection outgoing from delay timer to bulb 1. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share my video to your friend. Share my video to your all social media. Thanks for watching my video and thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.